Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the Professor's Dugout. Today we're going to do another round of retail versus hobby packs, random packs. We're just mere days away now from the release of the 2020 Topps Series 1, kicking off the 2020 cards. I'm really excited about it. We can finally get Yordan Alvarez rookie cards. And actually, I'll be able to put some new packs and some new brands in these random pack videos. So again, just like the previous few, we got 6 retail packs, 6 hobby packs. Let's see what we get. Let's see which side does better. So far, retail did well on 1 versus 2, where hobby did better. We should most of the time have hobby do better. You got the better hits in hobby, a higher chance of getting hits. But sometimes retail can win out. So we've got, on the retail side, we got 2 packs of Topps Holiday 2019, 2 packs of 2019 Topps Gallery, and 2 packs of Topps Chrome Update. So these are all retail exclusive packs. On the hobby pack side, we've got 2 packs of Topps Series 2, looking for those rookies like Pete Alonso and Fernando Tatis. We got 2 packs of Topps Gypsy Queen and 2 packs of Topps Finest. I'm almost out of Topps Finest. I only got, I think, 8 packs left. So, and I know that I haven't pulled any of the autos out of there, so I've got a pretty good chance of likely seeing a hit on the hobby side today. So with that, let's get to it. Let's start off with Topps 2019 Holiday Edition. So I like this year's Holiday Edition, especially chasing for, some of the photo variations where they insert various Christmas and holiday pieces in the background or in the foreground. Noah Syndergaard, Corbin Martin, CC Sabathia, Griffin Canning, Anthony Rizzo, Spencer Turnbull, rookie, Austin Allen, rookie, Ahmed Rosario, Edwin Diaz, and Francisco Mejia. So nothing spectacular in there. A couple of rookies. That's pretty much it. I did not see any sort of holiday component. Can't remember if those were... Oh, no, that's definitely not holiday. All right. No short prints in that one. Let's go and move on to the next pack. Here we go. So I got Nate Lowe, rookie, Kirby Yates, Yasmani Grandal, Matt Chapman, Sean Anderson foil. So you can kind of see the... sorry about that. You can kind of see some of the sparkle. So we at least got a foil, holiday foil card. Edwin Encarnacion, Trey Turner, Billy Hamilton, Nolan Arenado, and George Springer. All right, some of you may notice I'm missing my breaking mat. I accidentally misplaced it, so I gotta order a new one before too long here. On to Topps Gallery. I actually like Topps Gallery. I like the design of Topps Gallery. And there you go. We have a Ronald Acuna Jr., Max Scherzer. Oh, we got an auto. How about that? Out of these were out of blaster boxes too. So we got an auto of Domingo Santana. Wonderful. No, I was not expecting that, because hitting the autos out of blaster boxes is actually pretty difficult. But I'm not going to complain. It would have been nicer if he was still on the Milwaukee Brewers, but certainly trading him to the Seattle Mariners made sense last year, and he had some pretty good success there. Hopefully he can have a better season batting. Anyway, very good Awesome. Nice hit on the retail side. Retail's got a chance to win today. Jacob deGrom. All right, let's move on to the next pack. So you can kind of see here. Let's see if we can find the autographs. So autographs is 1 in 64 packs, which I think amounts to like 1 in every 8 boxes of blaster box. Can you get an auto? All right. Jake Bauers, rookie. Harold Ramirez, rookie. Michael Conforto, and Patrick Wisdom. Okay, on to Topps Chrome. I got my setup here is a little bit different, so I'm not overly thrilled about it, but that's okay. Oh, and we got a numbered card, as you can see on the back. We'll take a look at it more closely in just a second. So we got Ketel Marte. Oh, we got a nice Pete Alonso rookie. All-Star Game. A Whit Merrifield. And we got a gold Chris Paddock. So another nice card out of the retail side. And if you caught a peek earlier, that is numbered 43 out of 50. Very nice card. I do like Topps Chrome, although I feel like this year they did overproduce it. But I'm never going to complain if I get a nice gold card out of that. Okay, last pack on the retail side. All right, Jake Odorizzi just, I think, signed a nice new contract. Oscar Mercado, Matthew Beattie, and Family Business, Roberto Alomar. All right, so that is the retail side. Let's do hobby now, and I think we'll start with Gypsy Queen this time, and then we'll go to Topps Series 2. All right. Gypsy Queen is one of the early year releases. I do like it. At least the 2019 version. I did like the design. It's always nice to kind of chase after, some of the parallels, like logo swap and no names. Also, you got Players Weekend, Jackie Robinson Day chase cards as well, which is kind of fun to look at. Rafael Devers, Dansby Swanson, Blake Snell, Trevor Bauer, Matt Davidson, Josh Rogers rookie, and Rowdy Tellez rookie. So nothing crazy in that pack. I don't see any no short prints. Pack 2 of Gypsy Queen. All right. Chris Davis, Hunter Dozier, Ronald Guzman, Sean Manaea, Brandon Crawford, Antonio Senzatella, Felipe Vazquez, and Kenley Jansen. And let's see if there was anything crazy. You can also get strange backs as well. I don't see anything there. I didn't see any short prints. Nope. Nothing crazy in that pack. Okay. All right. So on to Topps Series 2. So hopefully we can get a Tatis or Alonso rookie, or there was a short printed Vladimir Guerrero Jr. card. If we can get one of those, especially in a gold, that would be fantastic. So we had John Gant, Lance Lynn, Yohan Moncada, Joe Ross, Miami Marlins, Steel City Slammers. Then we have Alex Colomé, Significant Statistics. And we got a Ryan Brazier black border, and that is numbered 52 out of 67. So that's a nice short print. We'll at least get that one in a sleeve. Put that one right there for the moment. Taylor Rogers, Ildemaro Vargas, Tyler Austin, Jacoby Jones, Brock Holt, and Get Up. So a nice little low numbered parallel there. That's not so bad. On to pack 2 of Topps Series 2 from 2019. Dakota Hudson rookie. I think he's going to have hopefully his year is even better than last year. Carl Edwards Jr., the San Diego Padres. Tim Hill. Pedro Sandoval. Then we have a gold. Lance McCullers Jr., and that one is numbered 1868 out of 2019. So get that in a little sleeve. Then we got Bryce Harper. I don't think that's short printed or anything. Nope. Starlin Castro, Ronnie Rodriguez, Jorge Bonifacio, Joris Familia, Brian Johnson, and Andrew McCutchen rounds out that pack. It's nothing crazy in Topps Series 2. Let's move on to our final 2 packs, which are Topps Finest. I did like the design of Finest this year. Finest always looks nice every year. Noah Syndergaard, Joey Gallo. We got a Blue Chips, Ian Happ, Brian Anderson, and Buster Posey. Last pack. Here we go. We got Xander Bogaerts. Oh, we have something in here, so let's move that to the end. Clayton Kershaw, Christian Yelich, Tim Anderson, and we have, it's a refractor auto that looks like Brandon Lowe. Yeah, Brandon Lowe. Rookie autograph. So he had a nice season this year. I actually, if he wouldn't have gotten hurt, I think he would have gotten more consideration for Rookie of the Year. Of course, Jordan had an excellent year as well. But that is a nice hit for the hobby side. So each side actually brought an auto this time, which is fantastic. So we had the Domingo Santana auto from retail, and we had the Brandon Lowe from Topps Finest on the hobby side. We also got this nice Chris Paddack rookie out of 50. So all in all, I've got to give this one to retail. So that makes now of the 4 hobby versus retail, 2 for hobby, and 2 for retail now. So anyway, feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. Are you looking forward to the 2020 release in just a few days? Feel free to give a like, subscribe. Again, comment below, and let's keep on collecting. See you later.